Hello everyone, these are the first two JingPad A1s from the factory. We just received them last week. Today I'm going to take a close look at them. This is the first video that shows what JingPad looks like physically. Okay, this is the Corning Gorilla Glass. There is no anti-fingerprint film yet, so just take a look. And this one is the logo of JingTech, the company behind JingOS. It's a big fish and a small fish together, two fishes. And this one here is the pogo pin for connecting keyboards and other accessories. Okay, we will change the color of pogo pin to gray later. And this one here is the main camera, which is 16 megapixel. This is the front camera, which is 8 megapixel. This is the lock button with a fingerprint color. Fingerprint sensor. And this is the volume buttons. Here, this is the Type C. And we have a 5G SIM slot here. So we can already put JingOS on the tablet, but still needs a lot of work needs to be done. Touch is not working yet. Okay, let me compare it to the iPad Pro, 11-inch iPad Pro, which is almost the same weight. Yeah. So I will publish a video shows how JingOS works on the real JingPad by the end of May. So go to our official forum to check out the milestones for the coming months. Thank you.